Hey Stosh, so looking at your website, it doesn't look like you have too much content on here. You have 227 words of content. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. It helps Google find keywords. The more content you have, as well as it helps your ranking on Google. Next thing would be I'm just going to talk about images. A lot of people don't do this correctly. You'd want this to be saved as a keyword. Whether it's Flint metal roofing or metal roofing in Detroit or Lapeer or whatever keyword you want to rank for, you'd want to put that on your images. I typed in metal roofing Detroit. I didn't find too much when I checked other cities, but I didn't look too hard. I just briefly looked, and I grabbed this. So first there'd be ads up here, then there's the GMB, then there's organic ranking. Grabbing this guy, looking at his website, that's what it looks like. He doesn't have too much content either. He has 646 words, so if you had 1,000, you'd probably be good. But you can never have too much content, so the more content you have, the better. It's gonna help. Let's see what this guy does. He doesn't do it right. Pretty much, there's some people who do, but majority of people don't. Yeah, he doesn't. Next, I'm going to toss you into Ahrefs, a cool tool I like to use. You have a 1UR, a DR.2, 7 backlinks, 4 referring domains, 2 keywords, and you don't get anyone to your website a month from Google. We can see what your keywords are. It's just your name that you have on your website, the roof tipple. Let's go check out your competitor. He has 23 UR, DR of 1, so his DR scores are not good. He's got 70,900 backlinks, 94 referring domains, 661 keywords, 68 traffic a month. So this looks like a massive number, but a lot of them are probably spam because he just has a DR of 1. So it means that Google recognizes a lot of, Google doesn't trust his website all that well. We can come in here and see what they are. So, you can come in here and grab the ones that are good that he does have that are nice, and then get rid of the, don't go after the spammy ones. You also want to make sure they're relevant to industry. You don't want to go get ones that are not relevant. You don't want to have fast food or something else linking back to your website. So those are just directories. He gets a lot of yellow pages. That wasn't that good of a link. 2 and 11. That's a directory. Let's see what this is. I think it's probably a directory. Maybe not. Yep, it is. Let's see what else there is. A lot of claims pages. A lot of backlinks from them. Oh, a lot. A lot more. Yeah, it looks like he's got a ton from them. But if I want, I just went to his last page. Whenever it loads, I can only see so many results, so there's that. I don't even want to see those crappy results at the end, anyways. It's just there's no need. They're all gonna be spammy. I was just gonna show you. Like here's one. 00. You don't want this on your website. It doesn't matter. Google's gonna be like, oh, that's it thinks it's spam. It's gonna think that your website's spam because it's linking to you. We can see what it is. Maybe if it loads. Maybe it won't. I'm just not gonna. Yeah, it was an image, but there's no point to have that. We would want to come in here and grab the ones that are nice. Hey, that's a directory. Let's look at this. That is a 29 and 8. So you got a link in here somewhere. You figure out how to get one. You can do my account probably, and you can add a link to your website. But yeah, so you can go after the ones that he has. You can go check out other ones. This guy has a lot of spammy ones, so you know, but he still probably has some decent ones you could look for. You can go check out other competitors and find theirs. Way different type of backlinks. There's commenting, blogs, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citation directories. There's a whole bunch of them. And then, yeah, you want to stay away from the spammy ones. You want them to be relevant to your industry. Let's go check out this guy's keywords. Like aluminum minings, Michigan. I don't know if you do those. Sheet metal, Detroit. Let's see. Yeah, let's type in Detroit to make it a little easier. Detroit roofing, 70 and 0. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. The higher, the harder it is. And this is the volume. So 0 would be really easy to rank for. Roofing, Detroit, Michigan, 80 and 3. Very easy to rank for. 107. It's going to be a little harder, but it's not too bad. Roofing companies, 20 and 0. 60 and 1. I was hoping to find some metal ones, because it looks like you focus on metal roofing. I thought I saw some previously, but maybe I didn't. Michigan metal roofs right there, 80 and 7. So I mean, that's one you can go for. Metal roofing, Michigan, 60 and 7. So it looks like it's just statewide. It doesn't look like there's a citywide one. Steel roofs, Michigan. So maybe you're gonna have to, we can look for other ones as well. See what else we can find. Check out other websites. Check out other cities, and try to find the best keywords to go for. Next thing is the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you complete it 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The photos are the content for your GMB. So the more photos, the better. The easier you'll have ranking. Then you want to make sure you get as many citations as you can. Citations are directories. You want to make sure your name on your GMB is the same as on the directory. Your phone number and your location are as well. This guy's got 28 citations. Come here and check them out. Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB. There's a whole bunch of them. As well as you can get social profile citations like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest. There's a whole bunch of those as well. You can Google for more. There's thousands of them out there. It's pretty easy to do. It's just time consuming. It's definitely something you can do yourself and help rank your GMB. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. If not, I would love to get your feedback on this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.